Ciao, I'm Davide Biocchi and this is my weekly intermarket analysis. Let's start with the euro dollar that after the breakout that went on during the last week and the market was up there very close to the price of 1.10 that we can assume as a resistance, there was a pullback and the pullback was around the level of 1073. So this is a level where we expect the market to try to rebound, okay, to try to recovery. It depends from what the conditions will be. So this is very interesting and have an impact also on commodities like the crude oil and the gold that we will see. So the crude oil is still in the attempt to re-enter into the previous range. This range that went on for months is a $10 trading range from $72 to $82 per barrel. The market was down really below that level, and then there was a recovery that was a sort of a pullback back to the price of 72 and then down again. So let's see if during this week the market will be able to re-enter into the previous range, more or less this here, or if the market will continue to go down. If that will be the case, so if the market will continue to go down, probably the main target, as a main target, we can assume here the level of 61. That is very clear in the chart. For what concerning the gold rebounded a lot, especially because there were some fears in the market connected to what happened to the banks and all the things around it. So the gold boosted to the price of $2,000 and even more. Twice during the week, we have seen the price above that level. And then finally the week ended around 1,980. That is a quite relevant level, very important for the gold. So let's see if there will be another possibility for the market to go above the price of 2,000 and maybe also to reach the previous record high at 2,080. So this could be really interesting. For what concerning the indices, let's start from the European one. During the last week, the market went down, but then reacted. And finally, at the end of the week, especially because there were problems with the price and let's say, of Deutsche Bank, which price collapsed down, there was a quite relevant movement down. So the very important level that we can see here is a price a little bit below the historical level of 4,400. That is the high that we have seen recently in 2021, and this level below here. So the market hit a minimum here, then rebounded, was in the mood probably to re-enter this range, but unable to do. Will it happen this week? Well, let's see what is going to happen. Quite similar is the situation that we have on the DAX. And the DAX again, let's say, remained for more than a month in this range, and the market right now is going to try to re-enter. So will it be able? Same as for the stock 50, this is work in progress, and we will see this week what is going to happen. Let's switch immediately after to the US indices, where finally on Friday, after the closing bell in Europe, the market went up really in an interesting way, closing at the top. And today, the market started from there and now is recovering even more. This is mainly a pattern. This is a reversal pattern. Let's see if it will be able to bring the price of the S&P 50 above this very relevant resistance that we can see here. So let's see what is going to happen. For what concerning the Nasdaq, the situation here is, let's say, more clear. The Nasdaq is very strong because the growth stocks are bought a lot because it's part of this general situation that we are seeing here. But we have a strong resistance here. If the market will be able to go above, this level will be the next target, and in my opinion, it can be reached very soon. But let's say there's also a possibility that the market will not be able, maybe will be rejected by this level, and then in that case can come back. And in this case, the level here, in my opinion, could work as one of the main, most relevant level of support. So let's see, even here, this week could be very interesting. We don't have very crazy data, despite the fact that we will see the PCE, so the price consumption expenditure, that will be really relevant because of the meaning of the inflation that it has. So let's see what is going to happen on Friday, and thank you very much for being here with me. See you soon. Bye-bye.